In 1913, the Midwest faced one of its most challenging environmental disasters, the infamous Black Blizzard. Known for its devastating power, this colossal dust storm swirled across miles of farmland, plunging the region into midday darkness. Originating in the parched, over-farmed lands of the Great Plains, this storm was a harbinger of the Dust Bowl era. Farmers, unprepared for the relentless onslaught, watched helplessly as the topsoil, once so fertile, was swept away into the abyss. The storm highlighted the critical need for sustainable farming practices and soil conservation. Despite its destructive nature, the Black Blizzard served as a grim reminder of nature's might and the delicate balance we must maintain with our environment. Today, it stands as a pivotal moment in the journey towards environmental awareness and agricultural reforms.